Alright, so here you have three terms being multiplied together. You've got an x minus 3, x plus 4, and 2x minus 1. So if you just have things being multiplied, it doesn't matter the order that you do it in. So you could multiply these x minus 3 times x plus 4, and then take the result and multiply that by 2x minus 1. Or you could do x plus 4 times 2x minus 1, take the result of this, and multiply by x minus 3. It's up to you. My personal preference is to multiply the last two terms first, so that's what I'll do. So x times 2x, I get 2x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. 4 times 2x is 8x. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, so this entire thing needs to be multiplied by x minus 3, so put brackets around it. And multiply by x minus 3, which also needs its brackets. Okay, now before I multiply this out, it's probably easiest if I simplify inside the second bracket. So x minus 3 is still there, and then combining like terms, we have 2x squared. X terms are negative x and positive 8x, so negative x plus 8x is positive 7x, and then you have a negative 4. Okay, now I can expand these brackets. So x times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times 7x is 7x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 3 times 2x squared is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times positive 7x is negative 21x. And negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Now you've gotten rid of all of your brackets, so your last step is to combine like terms. So you have only one x cubed term, so 2x cubed. Your x squared terms, I have 7x squared minus 6x squared. So 7x squared minus 6x squared is just x squared. Then you have a negative 4x minus 21x. So negative 4x minus 21x is negative 25x. Then you have a positive 12. Okay, you can't combine any more like terms, so this should be your final answer. 2x cubed plus x squared minus 25x plus 12. If you look at part B is multiplying the exact same three terms, just in a different order. So I keep telling you that the order doesn't matter when you're just straight multiplying things. If that's the case, then multiplying these, which are done in a different order, should result in the same answer. So let's try it out and see. I'll use the same procedure I used before. So x times x, you get x squared. X times 4 is positive 4x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. This entire thing needs to be multiplied by 2x minus 1, so I put brackets around it. Then I'll simplify inside the second bracket, so I get 2x minus 1 times x squared. 4x minus 3x is just x, and minus 12. Then multiplying that out, 2x times x squared equals 2x cubed. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 12 is negative 24x. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 1 times positive x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 12 is positive 12. Now you can combine like terms to simplify. So you have a 2x cubed 2x squared minus x squared, altogether is x squared. Negative 24x minus x is negative 25x. And you have a positive 12. So 2x cubed plus x squared minus 25x plus 12. Exactly the same as the first version. So when you're commenting on results, you can say that even with a changed order of terms, multiplying the same terms together in a different order doesn't affect the final outcome, or order doesn't matter.